2044년 태양폭풍의 증가로 인류의 99.7%가 사망했고 통신 시스템이 마비되며 인류의 기술은 퇴화하게 됩니다. 절망 속 록이라는 회사는 인간을 보호하기 위해 오토마타라는 로봇을 개발했고 로봇은 인간의 명령에 무조건 복종하게 만들어졌고 혹시나 인간에게 위협이 되는 걸 방지하기 위해 개조하는 걸 금지하는 규정을 걸어두었죠.
Chemical clouds will induce heavy rainfall. Acidification level estimated at 8. Clear skies over central sector.
어느 한 로봇을 찾으러 온 경찰. 이곳에서는 로봇이 스스로를 치료하고 있었고
He shot it. Report says it was self-repairing.
록사의 보험조사관인 잭 바칸이 이 사건을 맡게 되었죠.
But there's been significant alterations performed inside. Added a second DC battery as a backup.
금지된 법인 로봇을 개조한 흔적을 발견합니다.
It has parts of other units which also keep their serial numbers. I'd say it's a clocksmith. To smuggle tools and parts.
Thousands has been found trafficking stolen parts.
Some of which are from units that also work modify their unit. Only rock can repair robots.
하지만 이곳 제조사도 이 사건에 대해 전혀 모르는 듯 보였고
If you're so concerned about security, why don't you disinfect that? We shoot on sight. They know it's a restricted area.
도시 밖에는 사람들이 빈민가를 이루었고 도시로 접근하는 즉시 사살했습니다. 조사를 이어가던 중 잭은 수상한 로봇을 발견했고 그는 로봇의 뒤를 쫓아가 봅니다. 이곳은 도시 바깥으로 나가는 통로였고 총을 피해온 곳에서 다시 그 로봇을 만나게 됩니다.
What do you have in there?
스스로를 불태워버리는 로봇. 이는 로봇이 스스로 목숨을 끊는 것과 같은 행동이었죠.
Set itself on fire on its own. And I'd say this.
It's a nuclear battery, powerful battery, very hard to come by.
With my badge, identify yourself.
B2206, Welder 6.
Who asked you to steal it?
I do not have an owner, sir.
Did you set yourself on fire?
You roast it. Now you make it cry.
박사는 로봇이 스스로를 불태웠다는 잭의 말을 믿지 않았고
The unit had set itself on fire.
This security system is a one-way road. No one's ever done it before because you simply can't.
한편 잭에게는 임신한 아내가 있었습니다.
Wow, looks like she's happy to see you.
Maybe leaving this place could be another good you ever felt. The breeze of the Gangenia transfer. Great too.
Where the hell do you want to go?
Where there is a damp few.
How do you know it will be any better on the coast?
Breathe, rain, not touch. Aren't you afraid to bring your daughter in?
I can't afford to be afraid. Get out of here, please.
Richard.
Leave me alone.
잭은 처음 이상 로봇이 발견된 곳으로 왔고
I ain't fooling anybody. I definitely know the difference between a clunker welding a pipe and another one welding. End of story. Hit its hands like that motherfucker was fully aware. I shot it because it looked
Alive? Or can only be the work of a locksmith.
Locksmiths aren't listed in the phone books.
A nuclear battery would help.
Cleo, you ask. She obeys.
Do not be afraid.
Have you altered it?
We need to meet who made you this piece of filth. Who the fuck's a locksmith?
No, Tox.
Hey!
Cleo!
Hey! What do you do that? Get off and take a clunker to the shop. You're a clocksmith.
그의 예상대로 여자는 로봇을 고치러 이동했고
I am not armed.
I know that. What do you want?
Tracking down some alterations performed on 2U. Sorry, swears it was repairing itself. A violation of the second protocol.
Beginning to frighten me now.
Why is it so absurd?
The machine altering itself is a very complex.
로봇은 인간에 비해 훨씬 더 큰 지적 성장 능력을 가지고 있었고
The only limitations that she has is the second protocol. If it were eliminated, who knows how far that vacuum. Anyway, I don't know anybody good enough to do something.
Thank you. Unit internal report for Robert Bold, 113. Dr. Dupre, a clocksmith indicator.
Go wherever's necessary. I don't care. The real future is right here.
swear to you I am trying as hard as I can.
그런데 재개 보고를 감찰반이 알게 되었고
This message to Robert Bold.
Take care of it, Mr. Coleman.
Where did you get that biokernel? Biokernel was damaged, but it wasn't dead. And I installed it in Cleo.
클레오도 자기를 치료하는 능력이 생겨 있었죠.
After half an hour, I found her looking at her hand. We're in 10 minutes to attach a brand new leg. I thought you came alone.
I told the cabby to wait.
잭은 갑자기 누군가의 습격을 받게 되었고 도망가기 위해 급히 탄 차를 클레오가 운전하고 있었죠.
They're headed to the sandbox.
순간 바다가 보이는 옛 꿈을 꾸게 되는 잭. 잭은 그대로 기절해버렸고 잠시 후 그의 앞에는 여러 로봇들이 있었습니다.
Where's the city? Turn around now and take me to the city.
The city is not safe for any of us.
Where the hell are you going?
To a safer place.
Our first protocol demands that we protect you. Want to survive, you must stay with us.
What will you? The sandbox.
Your friend's in deep shit.
Bring them back here.
잭은 로봇들 몰래 구조를 요청했는데
Wallace, they're going toward the radioactive area. Stop.
If we go back to the city, we will.
You?
그런데 월리스는 로봇들과 함께 잭도 제거하려 했죠.
You find your clocksmith, Jack?
You have no idea what's happening here.
Bus back our battery, sir.
Keep that.
You're talking about your clocksmith.
Cannot allow you to do that.
Somebody else?
Sir, you are putting a human life in danger. Sir, you are putting a human life in danger. Stop, sir. Stop, sir.
그렇게 구조차는 떠나버리고 말았고
I need to go back to the city and explain.
You have to obey me!
My wife is pregnant.
We will arrive at our destination tomorrow.
드디어 목적지에 도착한 박한.
Who are you?
Your clocksmith? Where the hell is he? Who altered you?
Nobody altered me.
What about them?
I enhanced them.
알고 보니 로봇들은 개조된 것이 아닌 스스로 업그레이드된 것이었고
There was no clocksmith. At the very beginning, it was you. I need a vehicle. I have to go back to my family.
하지만 차의 부품은 거의 없어진 상황이었죠.
We were the food. All right. I am going to die here.
Your life is just a span in time.
You start all this.
The way it happened to you just appeared. Life form can inhabit the planet eternally. It was imagined by human minds. We need something from you, Jack. Surviving is not relevant. Living is.
그날 밤 새 로봇을 만드는 로봇들. 다음날 또다시 바닷꿈을 꾸다 잠에서 깨어난 잭이었고 로봇들은 이미 박한이 떠날 수 있는 차를 수리해 놓은 상황이었죠.
Good luck, Jack.
Goodbye, Cleo.
Jack Bocan.
Can he speak?
He is not going to need to.
He has your very eyes. Cleo.
돌아가던 중 다른 차가 로봇들이 있는 곳으로 접근 중인 것을 보게 되고 함께 이동 중 버려진 옛 상사를 만나 자신의 아내가 위험하다는 사실을 알게 됩니다. 이들은 아내와 최근 출산한 아이까지 데려오며 잭을 찾았습니다.
What the fuck is that?
We do not obey orders from humans.
So all that shit was true. If you're just a machine.
That's like saying that you are just
순간 잭이 이곳에 다시 돌아왔고 잭은 결국 궁지에 몰리고 말았는데
What makes a man betray his own species?
I'm not your people.
It's your daughter.
Goodbye, Jack Falcon.
There it is, Jack. Did you see it?
2049년 이곳은 북극에 있는 천문기지. 이곳에 홀로 남은 이 남성의 이름은 오거스틴.
Terminal patient. Outlives the rest of humanity. Someone should put you in a medical.
I was in a hurry to die. I go with you.
For you, I guess that's here.
지구는 더 이상 사람이 살 수 없는 환경이 되었고 인류의 대부분은 모두 새로운 행성을 찾아 떠났지만
What about him?
He's staying.
그는 이곳에 홀로 남기로 결정했습니다. 오거스틴은 말기암 환자였고
In our galaxy alone, there are billions of stars. At least one of them has the potential to support life. Jupiter's previously undiscovered moon.
과거 오거스틴은 목성에서 인류가 생존하는 것에 대해 연구했었고 한 여성을 만나 사랑에 빠졌습니다.
What are you drinking?
Whiskey. What are you drinking?
List active missions.
Orion 2, inactive. Jason
Show me
4.
ether.
이 여성의 이름은 설리, 우주에서 행성을 탐사 중이었고 갑자기 설리를 두고 떠나버리는 우주선. 꿈이었습니다.
Morning, Sully.
I'm not speaking to you.
Hear anything from home?
I'm trying.
설리는 에테르오의 연구원이었고
Anything yet?
Nothing yet.
에테르오는 현재 지구와 연락이 끊어진 상황이었죠.
Copy. If anyone, copy. I also couldn't make contact with the K-23 colony flight.
오거스틴은 나이로 인해 깜빡하는 일이 자주 있었고 이번엔 불을 끄는 것도 깜빡해버렸죠. 그 순간 오거스틴의 눈앞에 보이는 한 소녀.
Barbo Observatory, a family member has been left behind.
What's your name?
7 or 8, she's alone. Is anyone out there? Somebody's got to be coming back for you, because I can't help you. I'm the wrong person.
Are you hungry? You're not deaf, right? You can hear me talking. You just can't talk. What is that? Is it an iris? Iris?
Don't touch it. It's a spaceship far away. We hoped would be our future, but things didn't quite turn out that way. That's why I have to contact them before it's too late. No. This is my room. Here, you sleep in here. The antennas are a problem. It's not strong enough.
Well, that's something.
All the variables. Can't contact the K-23 colony. His conclusion must be that the fault lies with us.
에테르오는 행성 조사 후 긍정적인 결과를 얻어내는 데 성공했지만 그 누구와도 연락이 닿지 않았고 그 원인도 알 수가 없었습니다.
Overall, the crew's spirit remains high as we near the life. Yes. Can it expand? Yes. Could it be home? Except The one that lingers in the air. Is it so quiet?
Your breakfast has timed out. Would you like another?
Polaris. It's the most important star in the sky. If you ever get lost, it'll help you find your way.
I called you. You didn't answer.
Sorry, I was working.
I called to tell you I'm not pregnant. You want to be an explorer, Augustine. But while you're doing all that, your own life is just slipping away. Breaks my heart. I'm sure it's for the best.
It shouldn't be up this far. There is an antenna that's stronger than ours. It's up north. Lake Hazen. We get to that antenna, somebody will hear us. It's a long way.
오거스틴은 새로운 기지로 이동해야겠다 결심했고
It's okay. It's all. You have to. That's not so bad, right?
한편 에테르오에서는 갑자기 비상신호가 울리는데
Deviated off course.
How far?
Maya helped Sanchez with the course design.
The hits keep coming.
But it puts us in zones that haven't been cleared for passage.
Okay, boss, but I sure don't like passing through zones that haven't been cleared.
하지만 이들에게는 달리 선택지가 없었죠.
Stay here.
이곳엔 쓰러진 남성이 있었고
Get out of here. Go!
자신을 고통 없이 보내달라 말했죠.
Let's go.
결국 여자는 오거스틴을 떠나게 되었고
Did you tell her about me?
If you want her to know about you, you can introduce yourself. Take care of yourself, Augustine.
둘 사이에는 애도 있었지만 이별하게 되었죠.
You want to know if it's a girl or a boy?
We're having a girl.
A girl?
Nervous?
Are you?
So, what are we gonna name her?
마침내 새로운 기지에 도착한 오거스틴.
Look what you did.
The spaceship Ether returning from Jupiter mission. Can you hear me?
This is...
Lake Hazen, weather
We've
station.
lost contact with NASA and everyone else.
How much have you picked up about the conditions on Earth?
I'm sorry, Lake Hazen. I missed that last transmission.
지구의 상태를 모르고 있었던 에테르오. 그 순간 소행성들이 날아와 우주선에 부딪혔고
Can you rotate on this axis point?
Trying now.
Lake Hazen, can you hear me?
It's over.
For now.
Lost communications and lost radar.
It can be rebuilt, but it's gonna take a walk outside.
No rush, understood?
Oh my god.
There's your radar.
I see it.
순조롭게 우주선 수리가 진행되고 있는 그때
What do we got?
또다시 소행성들이 날아왔고
You have to get out of there now. Go now, man.
That's it. Everybody all right? Everybody safe?
하지만 동료 중 한 명이 관통상을 입어버렸죠.
I'm bleeding.
Penetration wound.
응급치료를 해보지만 끝내 살릴 수 없었고 그렇게 동료 한 명을 떠나보내야 했습니다.
Captain, we just got our first view of Earth.
겨우 돌아왔지만 지구는 더 이상 인간이 살 수 있는 환경이 아니었고
What do we do?
Lake Hazen, this is Ether. Are you receiving?
Yes, Ether.
We're operational now and just got a visual on Earth.
I'm afraid we didn't do a very good job of looking after the place. All survivable areas are underground. I'd like to suggest something.
그는 에테르오에게 다시 목성으로 돌아갈 것을 권유하죠.
It's actually a pretty good plan.
Why would we do that?
Because there's nothing left for us down there.
Was to go to K-23, turn around, and come home.
하지만 지구로 돌아가도 가족을 만날 수 있다는 보장이 없었고
There's a message for you.
When was it sent?
10 days ago.
I know what's going on down here, but we're being asked to evacuate because I won't be able to contact you anymore.
When I think about how long I've been doing this,
20 years ago, Kath and I, we used to talk about the risk. Took that into account. We're supposed to be safe. It's your job to turn the ship around. Start a new life. But it's my job to keep a promise that I made to my family.
I'd feel the same way.
I know you would. I'm going to go with you. Why would you want to do that? Looks like the best use of my time. I was thinking I'll take a ride home with my buddy. Okay.
지구로 가는 인원들과 목성으로 가는 인원들이 나뉘게 되고
Bye, son. Good luck.
Dr. Lofthouse, can you hear me?
I hear you.
But I wanted to contact you first to thank you.
Captain Mitchell and Specialist Sanchez decided on...
You have family down here?
Yes.
I understand.
What you did, you discovered so much up here. Wow, you pointed to an incredible world. I wish you could have seen it.
Hey, Hazen, I have to do.
How did you end up there?
Maybe I could help someone.
You'd done some work with my mother, Jean Sullivan, Augustine, and I'm Iris.
I know.
사실 설리가 오거스틴의 딸 아이리스였고 그녀를 지키기 위해 오거스틴은 필사적으로 우주와 소통하려 했던 것이었죠.
It's very nice to finally meet you. Like there, Iris.
Colony site, it feels like Colorado. Pine trees are hidden somewhere underground, waiting to burn, expecting to see a blue sky, but it was orange. Jupiter feels so close. You're sure you could almost touch it. Water, flowers. Augustine. I think I lost him.
꼬마 아이리스는 오거스틴이 만들어낸 환상이었고 어른이 된 아이리스는 목성으로 떠나며 영화는 마무리됩니다. 주인공 존은 서점을 운영하고 있었는데 어느 날 애쉬라는 여자를 만나게 됩니다.
First time in a bookstore?
애쉬 또한 조의 관심이 나쁘지 않은 듯 보였고
Do you like coffee? What's your name? Coming?
Now?
You got a better time?
대화가 잘 통했던 둘은 서로에게 첫눈에 반하게 되고
Take a picture, it'll last longer.
그렇게 둘은 서로 사랑에 빠지게 됩니다.
How are you this beautiful day? I'm doing well, Oliver. Yourself?
조에게 밝게 인사를 건네는 이 남자의 이름은 올리버입니다.
Oh, I'm supposed to guess who? Oh, you. Hi.
What can I get for you? I'll have a cappuccino, please. You got it. I want you to know something.
애쉬는 갑자기 진지한 표정으로 할 말이 있다 했고
Hey!
I'm not from here.
No, you're from Bridgewater.
I mean, I'm not from... Don't.
의문의 남성은 애쉬에게 총을 쏴버리고 떠나버립니다. 그를 쫓아보지만 놓치고 말았고 그 후로 존은 애쉬를 잊지 못하며 삶을 이어나가고 있었습니다.
Can you call Ash?
I am not currently able to do.
Well, then fuck off.
You have a visitor. It's Oliver. This is the third time.
Fine. Joe, you there? Got the good stuff.
I hear it's better hot.
I can't taste anything.
What?
Taste, I can't.
Where do you keep the towels? Joe?
She's gone.
Maybe she's in a better place.
Oh, don't patronize me.
Eat something, okay?
여전히 애쉬를 잊지 못한 그는 극단적인 선택까지 생각하는데 그런데 순간 알 수 없는 현상이 나타났고 눈을 떠보니 침대로 돌아와 있었습니다. 그리고 그에게 도착한 메시지 하나
You have another new message from Ash. Marked urgent.
바로 죽은 그녀에게서 온 메시지였고
You okay, brother? You see that, right? Would you mind if I checked here? Actually, I'm not sure I want to go back yet.
Hey, Joe, if you're seeing this, something's happened to me. I need your help. It's important. Your bookstore. Special order there waiting for you. I'll talk to you again later. I love you.
We have further contact.
You should leave it alone. Track him. Let me know what he does next.
Deliver for me?
Right.
He has something.
Take him down. Retrieve whatever that is.
그렇게 의문의 남자가 조에게 붙었고
Floor?
Same.
조도 이상한 낌새를 눈치챘습니다. 순간 몸이 제멋대로 빠르게 움직여 미행한 남자를 처리했고 상황은 아직도 끝나지 않은 듯 보였습니다. 그런데 또다시 멋대로 움직이는 몸.
I don't understand.
You and me both, pal.
돌아와 보니 또다시 애쉬의 메시지가 와 있었고
I'll explain.
Where are you?
I saw someone kill you.
I know. I'm sorry. I have so much I want to say.
조에게 충격적인 사실을 전하는 애쉬.
Years ago, technology made several rapid jumps. AI brought others. Recruited hungry young minds like Anthony Hunter. Brilliant software on the side, he was working on his own project. It was too big for him to put together on his own.
천재 프로그래머 앤서니 헌터는 센테크라는 대기업의 지원을 받아 자신의 프로젝트를 이룰 수 있었고
The first DU, Digital Universe.
그는 지구와 모든 게 같은 세상을 디지털에 만드는 데 성공합니다.
He realized he could test anything. Mass testing of cutting-edge pharmaceuticals. He became Centec's CEO. He had a world of his own to play with, no consequences. After version, he spent almost a decade testing, fine-tuning.
For this, how many versions?
497.
So what does that make me? A virtual man.
조는 자신이 그저 NPC같이 데이터에 불과하다는 것을 깨닫게 되죠.
I need to show you a bit more. DU system was supposed to be spun down for good. I found a way in. I found you.
Wait, that's the man who shot you.
Hunter.
Who's that next to Hunter?
That is the enigmatic Oliver Cox. He hasn't been seen in years.
그런데 이 올리버는 조가 매일 만나던 그 남자였고
He must be masking himself from other users of the system.
그는 사실 앤서니와 동업자였었죠.
Joe, he could help. How? I need to meet him. I tried everything, Joe.
Erica, what can I do for you?
Shot a woman in plain view at a coffee shop, risking exposure. Anthony.
The world is shit, but we have a way.
We have a way. Conceivable test.
The world is shit! But I'm gonna fix it.
You're killing people to do it.
Keep it hidden. Keep it connected. That girl I shot, here in the real world.
한편 애쉬는 올리버와 연락하는 데 성공했고
What can I help you with, dead girl?
Is you.
And you found me.
곧바로 그를 만날 수 있었습니다.
You like things analog.
Well, you're welcome to borrow something if you'd like to know about me.
I know that you worked with Hunter, some kind of partnership. He's after me.
What were you doing in the system in the first place?
I'm good at tracing data, making connections. We were convinced Hunter wasn't following the court orders. It was you, wasn't it? Saving Joe, changing things to help him.
Maybe there's more to him than meets the eye.
I need to get Hunter off my ass, find somewhere safe, see Joe, please.
You really love him.
I get that he's not.
But we are way past real, easy definition.
So you'll help me?
I will. A work address and a new encrypted key. I like not being on his radar.
그렇게 애쉬는 다시 디지털 세계에 들어올 수 있었고
All I wanted to do was reach out to you. When Hunter killed me, he killed my access. I love you.
I wish I knew what to do with that. My whole worldview is kind of broken.
It's not a game. It's as real as anything. My other life is a dream. Maybe this is the one that counts.
순간 애쉬가 로그아웃 되는데
Hunter's onto you and he's throwing a hell of a lot of compute your way.
이는 올리버가 애쉬를 지키기 위함이었고
I know. Look, Ben, I don't know how this works. Help me. She's in trouble, isn't she?
Understand?
Let's shut it down.
Everything you know, gone. You, gone. Millions of people. And our right to live. Get the data you're carrying out.
올리버는 조에게 매우 중요한 데이터가 숨겨져 있다 말하는데
How do you know?
Because I built it. Backup of the entire digital universe. The moment you open that book, it's one of a kind. Please don't lose it. You need to find the comm panel.
그 시각 애쉬는 현실에서 계속 쫓기고 있었고
You're messing with something you shouldn't be.
Your boss is doing that.
Morning.
Gonna kill me again?
Not yet.
What gives you the right to play with so many lives?
Okay, enough of this. I have to catch up with an old friend.
한편 가상세계 속 올리버까지 찾아내는 데 성공한 앤서니
Why are you messing with my universe?
It was moving along just fine. Well, it's a matter of perspective. I had no idea what you were planning until you were a psychopath, old friend. I have made this with you. It's your playground. I'm glad to hear that. Oh. How did you?
결국 현실 세계의 올리버까지 찾아 제거해버립니다.
I found you. Yeah, you're dying. It'll be over in a couple minutes.
Nancy.
Some kind of transfer initiated from inside the system.
Stop him. Now.
그 순간 조를 소환하는 앤서니
Hello, Joe. Like, I don't know, shoot you. If I were to kill you, you wouldn't just wake up someone. I made you, and I unmake you. More than digital dust, my man.
갑자기 앤서니의 마음대로 제어가 되지 않았고
I don't like your boyfriend.
Doesn't like you much either.
It doesn't matter. It's time for a reboot.
No, please!
None of this makes it enjoy the end, my man.
Please, at least let me say goodbye.
Ash, are you there?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Good, that's good. That's all that matters. Look, I don't know if I'm real, but I know you are. I love you, Ash.
그렇게 사라져가는 디지털 세계.
Well, that was a lot. Sorry.
Go fuck yourself.
앤서니가 애쉬까지 처리하려던 그 순간 다시 나타난 올리버.
You're dead. It's a matter of perspective. Levels within levels, Anthony. There are other worlds than this.
그는 현실 세계로 조를 소환했고
Drop it.
You hurt her.
No.
You destroyed everything. Everyone.
Please.
You're real.
So are you. I know those hands anywhere. It's weird, right? Meeting here.
Lovebirds. Good to see you. How are you? Still here? Alive? Same way you are.
Okay.
Well, this is your world. Your entire universe. Now, the cup
Is the real world.
a world. Ash's world. Knows how many levels, how many universes. It could be an infinite number.
You brought me up a level.
From the sugar crystal to the cup. I happen to have an inside scoop from a guy who's simply a level up. Hunter was born of my hubris. He lacked the one thing I was looking for, the one thing I was testing for, was empathy. Then you showed up. You restore my faith. We can be good, caring, kind. It seems the code gets there. Eventually. Enjoy each other. Enjoy what life has to offer. There you go. This we got right.